My name is Chris Harris. I'm the manager for the operating room at University Hospital. And I've just witnessed some simulation occurring with the ESWs. The simulation training that they're receiving today is incredible. They're actually doing the work that they would normally do in the operating room. So we're very pleased to see that going forward.
Because if they're pumping that much blood in.
This place is unbelievable. Very surprised at the facility. Quite expansive. 8,000 square feet in this area here, and it's a simulation of the OR, right down to the smallest detail.
I was quite pleased coming into C-STAR with the simulation process they have and how real the environment was with the operating rooms, the time crunches they put on us to finish the task, which is often the case in the real-life scenario.
The C-STAR program is first class in that it's brought everybody together. People are talking.
Like we use the microfiber bond.
People are feeling good about what they're doing, and with the debrief, the filming, and being able to see the images after and actually seeing yourself on camera is huge.
Identifying any trouble spots that you would have encountered. We went from one thing and then we jumped to another and then we went back. So there was a little bit of an organization.
It's good to have a simulation to be able to work it out, and you're not under pressure if you make a mistake, or you can stop and ask questions.
I think that the whole program of C-STAR is awesome. It's a lot to learn, but there's lots of people to help you along the way, and you're never alone, and you can always ask questions. No question's a stupid question, and I think that everyone wants to help improve the environment in there.
So that would be part of the new PIDAC standards, right?
It's a very exciting program. It's a lot of fun, but in all seriousness, it's something else. You have to experience it firsthand, so I think everybody's going to be pleasantly surprised when they get here.